कैटेकोलामिन्स। कैटेकोलामिन्स होता क्या है? ये सिग्नलिंग मॉलिक्यूल है, न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर है, एड्रिनर्जिक नर्व सिस्टम का न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर कैटेकोलामिन्स होते हैं। कैटेकोलामिन्स ये बॉडी में सिंथेसाइज होते हैं, बॉडी में यूटिलाइज होते हैं और मेटाबॉलिज्म भी बॉडी में ही होता है। So, catecholamine, which is present inside our body, synthesized inside our body, is are of three types: adrenaline, noradrenaline, and dopamine. This catecholamines also called as endogenous catecholamines because their synthesis occurs inside our body. So, let's see the synthesis. So, the synthesis of these catecholamines is from the amino acid phenylalanine. The phenylalanine is amino acid. Inside the liver, the phenylalanine is converted into the tyrosine in presence of enzyme hydroxylase. This tyrosine travels through the blood and come into the adrenergic nerve ending. At the adrenergic nerve ending, tyrosine is converted into the levodopa in presence of enzyme tyrosine hydroxylase. This tyrosine hydroxylase is a specific enzyme. It is selective. This converts the tyrosine into the levodopa. Then this levodopa is converted into the dopamine in presence of enzyme dopa decarboxylase. Then dopamine is converted into the noradrenaline in presence of dopamine beta hydroxylase, and this noradrenaline is converted into the adrenaline in presence of enzyme N-methyl transferase. So the process of conversion of noradrenaline into the adrenaline in presence of enzyme N-methyl transferase is take place into the adrenal medullary cells because this enzyme N-methyl transferase is present inside our adrenal medullary cells. So conversion of noradrenaline to adrenaline takes place in the adrenal medullary cells. And this conversion of dopamine to noradrenaline, in presence of enzyme dopamine beta hydroxylase, this conversion is take place inside the vesicle of the adrenergic nerve endings because the enzyme required is dopamine beta hydroxylase. It is present inside the vesicle. Now let's see the process again inside the nerve ending. The tyrosine is converted into levodopa in presence of enzyme tyrosine hydroxylase. Then levodopa is converted into dopamine in presence of enzyme dopa decarboxylase. This dopamine is then enters into the vesicle and then it is converted into noradrenaline in presence of enzyme dopamine beta hydroxylase. Then this noradrenaline, by the process of exocytosis and in presence of some impulse, it by process of exocytosis exit from the nerve ending and enter at the junctional cleft, and then it will react with either alpha receptor or beta receptor. The excess of noradrenaline is reuptake by the transporter present on the prejunctional membrane called as norepinephrine transporter, and this when enter into the cell cytoplasm, then vesicle monoamine transporter 2, that is VMAT2, is receptor present on the vesicle, which with the help of H plus coupling, the noradrenaline enters into the vesicle. Then excess of noradrenaline is also get metabolized by COMT and MAO. COMT means catechol orthomethyl transferase and MAO means monoamine oxygenase. So these enzymes metabolize the noradrenaline. Then let's see some inhibitors that tyrosine to L-DOPA conversion is inhibited by meta-tyrosine. L-DOPA to dopamine conversion inhibited by carbidopa benserazide. Then entry of dopamine into the vesicle is inhibited by the reserpine. Then dopamine to noradrenaline conversion inside the vesicle inhibited by disulfiram. Then exocytosis process is inhibited by the guanethidine and bretylium. Then the reuptake is inhibited by cocaine and TCAs, that is antidepressants. Okay, then storage of this noradrenaline inside the vesicle, how it is. See, the noradrenaline is combined with the ATP. Okay, 4 molecules of noradrenaline and 1 molecule of ATP absorb on the chromogranin protein. It absorb on the chromogranin protein, and enzyme is beta hydroxylase also present in the vesicle. Then release is done by exocytosis, and some co-transmitter also there, like neuropeptide Y and enkephalin. So this is how the synthesis of catecholamines takes place, its storage, its release, its transmission. Okay.